Hi folks, beautiful resort, Orange County, California. Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Beautiful ocean view. Awesome day in Cali. Alright folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel folks. All right, folks, you see those homes up there? You look, let me zoom in. You're looking about at least $20 million homes right there. $20 million homes. It's my favorite place here. And we having a wedding right there. Ocean view wedding. Alright folks, these are the rooms. Incredible view. All right, folks, have a great day, everyone. Enjoy this view.